Welcome students. Today we're going to do a listening assignment, but it's not a typical one. You're going to do origami, but there will only be audio instructions. That means that there are no visuals. You will only need a square piece of paper. Your teacher is now going to pause this audio clip to answer any questions and make sure that everyone understands the assignment. After this, the assignment starts. Let's get to folding. Take your piece of paper and lay it flat in front of you, with two corners facing you like a regular square. Fold the bottom right corner up to the top left corner, creating a diagonal crease. Unfold the paper and rotate it so that the crease you just made now runs from the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. You are now going to make a diagonal crease in the opposite direction by folding the bottom right corner to the top left corner again. Unfold the paper. You should now see an X. You're now going to fold in half vertically. Take the right edge and fold it over to the left edge. Unfold the paper. There should now be a crease in the middle of the paper running from top to bottom. Now you're going to fold in half horizontally. Take the bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge. Unfold the paper. There should now be a line in the middle of the paper running from the left to the right. You are now going to fold in all four corners to the point in the middle where the four creases intersect. Start with the bottom right corner, fold it up to the middle. Make a crease. Do not unfold the paper. It should now look like a square with a missing corner. Rotate the paper clockwise. Fold the bottom right corner to the middle again. Do not unfold the paper. It should now look like an upside-down house. Rotate the paper clockwise again. Repeat the previous step. Do not unfold the paper. Rotate the paper one last time. Repeat the previous steps. Make the crease and unfold the paper. You should now see the original square. You're now going to fold in the left and the right edges and align them with the vertical crease. Start with the right edge. Pull it over to the left, but stop at the vertical crease in the middle. Make a crease. Do not unfold the paper. Do the same for the left. You should now see a rectangle. Do not unfold the paper. You are now going to fold up the bottom edge with the middle. Make a crease. Do not unfold the paper. Rotate the model 180 degrees. Fold the bottom up to the middle again. Do not unfold the paper. Slightly lift up the bottom layer of paper, but do not unfold it. You should now see two layers of paper, one on top and one on bottom, with a split in the middle. The bottom layer has a split in the middle. With your left hand, press down on the center of the paper, so that it should not move. With your right hand, grab the bottom layer and gently pull it out to the right as far as you can. Flatten out the model. You should now see a square with a triangle sticking out on the right bottom side. Do the same thing on the left. Both sides now have a triangle sticking out. Rotate the model 180 degrees. Do the same exact thing on the right and the left side. It should now look like a square with a triangle on both sides. You are now going to fold the entire model in half, following the existing horizontal line. Take the top edge and align it with the bottom edge. Take only the top layer of the paper on the right side of the model and fold it down along the existing diagonal line. Do the same on the left. You should now have an upside down triangle. Take the right top layer and put your finger under it. There should be a corner. Fold it up slightly. Look at the picture. Do the same thing on the left. Try to make it symmetrical. You are now going to fold the model in half, following the existing crease in the middle. Take the top right corner and fold it over to the left corner. Look at the screen. You're going to make a new crease following that line. With your right hand, hold down the top right corner of the model. With your left hand, lift over the top set of layers and fold them over to the right. Make a crease. Flip the model over. You are going to fold the model in half again. Take the right top corner and fold it over to the left corner. Reinforce the crease on the right side. Separate the two layers to open up the model. You should now have a butterfly.